Today we're making some fried fish. We're going to use 1 cup of flour, some pinko breadcrumbs, some Tony sasseries, and some salt. Well, Martin salt. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and add in some bread. All these pinko, not a lot, just a little. Add in some bread, some Tony sasseries. And they have a little flavor, you guys. And then we're going to go ahead and put in some salt. That is good. Now let's start dipping our fish. So we're going to go ahead and start seasoning our fish. Got some tilapia here. Just going to put some Tony sasseries on them. Give it a good old flip over to both sides. And of course, add some salt to both sides. We're going to drop some basil on top. Let's put a little basil on there. Give it a good flavor. You don't need a lot. Just a little. So now we're going to go ahead and dip our fish into our flour mixture. Make sure you get it real good on there. We're going to go ahead and drop it in the oil. Our fish is frying, you guys. Let me let them get golden brown and on both sides. We have flipped them over. Now they're browning on the other side. And you guys, there they have it. Fried tilapia. Very yummy and delicious.